and share and subscribe and like.
New video, we will discuss about how to integrate an irrational algebraic functions. Uh, First, consider an integration of 1 divided by under root of uh, ax square plus bx plus c. Firstly, we simplify this function ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. Let us take a common. If we take a common, we have x square plus b divided by x plus c divided by a equal to a into x square plus b divided by ax plus b square divided by 4a square plus c divided by a minus b square divided by 4a square. What we have done here, we have added and subtracted this term, and look at this is an expansion of x plus b divided by 2a. So we have a into x plus b divided by 2a whole square plus, here we take LCM is a 4a square, then we we have 4ac minus b square. Okay, then in this integration, suppose my a is positive, and in the expansion, suppose b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That means b square is greater than 4ac. So that this integral 1 divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, this will be, we have taken a common, under root of a into integration of 1 divided by this will be under root x plus b divided by 2a whole square. Now b is positive, b square is positive, so write this as a minus, and b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square whole into dx. This is an in under root term. So it is a x square minus a square, the first formula of this integration. We can apply that integration under root of a into, you can see this is an cos h inverse of x plus b divided by 2a divided by under root of b square minus 4ac and root of 4a, that is a 2a. Now taking the LCM of this 2ax, this 2a will be get cancelled, and we have under root of 1 divided by under root of a cos h inverse of 2ax plus b divided by under root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is an integration of this term when a is positive and b square minus 4ac is positive. That means it is of the type x square minus a square. Now convert this ax square plus bx plus c in the first formula, first integration of this type whenever this a is positive. Now when a is a positive and b square minus a 4ac is a negative, then we will convert this into this formula. Okay, so consider that case. You can see that we put the second part, the expansion, as it is, and here a is positive and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That means b square is less than 4ac. So integration of 1 divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx will be 1 divided by under root of a into integration of 1 divided by here x under root of x plus b divided by 2a whole square plus 4ac is positive, so 4ac is greater, so 4ac minus b square divided by 4a square. This whole term is in the root into dx, and we can apply the sin h inverse formula. So 1 divided by under root of a into sin h inverse of x plus b divided by 2a whole divided by under root of 4ac minus b square divided by 2a. Now take the LCM in the numerator, and this 2a will get cancelled. We have 1 divided by under root of a into sin h inverse of 2ax plus b divided by under root of 4ac minus b square. So we have converted this term into these two formulas. Lastly, whenever a is a negative, we convert this formula into this category. When a is a negative, here this a is a negative, uh, this term will be these both terms will be negative, and we have then we can write it as let us take minus a common. If we take minus a common, then we have, so let me first clear this. A is a negative, so whenever a is a negative, a is negative, we take minus a common. If we take minus a common, here you can see that this will be minus, minus and minus, right? So this is minus, this sign will be minus. Let me write again, repeat once again, so that no confusion. To avoid the confusion, we write is explicitly. Okay, so we are taking minus a common. A is a negative. Why a is a negative? So minus a will be positive. A is negative, minus a will be positive, therefore we take minus a common. If we take minus a common, this will be minus x square minus b divided by x minus c divided by a. Okay, so this is equal to minus a into minus x square minus b divided by ax minus b square divided by 4a square minus c divided by a plus b square divided by 4a square equal to minus a into, we write this term as a first, b square is positive, so b square minus 4ac divided by 4a, and this is if we take minus common, we have x plus b divided by 2a whole square. So obviously it is converted into this one, and hence the integration, we are taking the case when a is negative, and so that minus a is positive, why we have taken minus a? Because a is in the root, and when a is negative, under root of a will be imaginary, and that is why we have taken minus a is positive. Okay, so integration of 1 divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 1 divided by under root of minus a. Even though it look like a minus, but a is a minus, that means a is minus 2, so minus minus plus 2 this will be, and this will be integration of 1 divided by under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square minus x plus b divided by 2a whole square into dx equal to 1 divided by under root of minus a into sine inverse of x plus b divided by 2a whole divided by under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now taking the LCM in the numerator, 1 divided by under root of minus a into sine inverse of 2ax plus b divided by under root of b square minus 4ac, and this is the integration of this algebraic equations, irrational algebraic function. So these are the three important formulas which will be applicable when this type of irrational function arises. Okay, so thank you.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.